Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim Amazon gift card. So in order to do that, first of all, launch Amazon app. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now all you have to do is just go to your profile. Now once you are here on your profile right here, simply scroll down below and you can see the option of redeem gift card. Simply tap on that option. With that, you'll come to this page. Now you can see that my current balance is $0. So now you can either scan your claim code or enter your claim code on this field right over here. After you have scanned or entered your claim code to redeem your Amazon gift card, simply you have to tap on the option of apply to your balance, and then you will be able to claim your Amazon gift card. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.